In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread messages in Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams regularly, you probably know how easy it is to miss a message when chats, channels, and meetings are all happening at once. Instead of scrolling through every team and channel trying to spot what you haven't seen yet, there's a much faster way built right into the app. And that's what we'll walk through now. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with your work or school account so you can see all your usual teams and chats. Once Teams has loaded, take a look at the menu bar on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see icons like Chat, Teams, Calendar, and one near the top that looks like a little bell. That bell icon is labeled Activity. Click on the Activity icon. This is your central hub for notifications in Microsoft Teams. Everything that's happened across your chats, channels, mentions, and reactions will show up here in one place. This is especially helpful if you're part of many teams or large channels where messages move quickly. By default, the activity feed shows your recent activity in chronological order with the most recent items at the top. Unread items in this feed usually stand out visually. Depending on your version of Teams, they may appear with a bold title or a colored bar or dot along the side, indicating that you haven't opened them yet. As you scroll through the activity list, keep an eye out for those visual cues that mark something as unread. When you see an unread notification you want to check, simply click on it. Teams will instantly take you to the exact message or post in the chat or channel where it was sent. This saves you from hunting through each team manually. Once you've opened it, that message is now considered read, and the bold or highlight should disappear from that item in your activity feed. If you're catching up after being away, a good habit is to work down your activity list from top to bottom, opening each unread notification and quickly reviewing the conversation. This ensures you don't miss important mentions, replies, or updates. Remember, the Activity tab is your best friend for staying on top of unread messages in Microsoft Teams. Anytime you feel overwhelmed or think you might have missed something,